Hi everyone. My name is Tinglai. Let's learn the English alphabet together. These are the letter A. The bigger one is the uppercase A and the smaller one is the lowercase a. This is the uppercase A. This is the lowercase a. These are the uppercase A and lowercase a together. One more time. Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Let's learn about the words that begin with A. A apple. A alligator. A airplane. How's that? It's so easy, isn't it? Now, there is one more thing you should know about the letter A. Do you know that every letter make a sound? Let's hear the sound of the letter A. Apple. Alligator. Airplane. One more time. Apple. Alligator. Airplane. Now you know about the letter A and the sound it makes. I hope you enjoy learning with me. See you next time. Bye bye.